Good morning. Let's clean my entire flat together. Deep clean wise, this has been long overdue. Today I'm going to clean my entire flat with you. Really deep clean it too. It's long overdue. And just a little heads up, my makeup is really bad in this video. I had not blended it around my face. Don't think I didn't know. I didn't at the time, but I definitely do know now. So please do not worry about that. Please just try not to look at it. And the excuse the fact I'm ill. Just excuse the fact I'm a hot mess and enjoy the video. Tonight we've got friends coming around and we're having some dinner and just, you know, playing some games, chilling out. So the flat is looking awful and the flat needs to be fixed. Let me show you the befores. We're not gonna judge. Okay, I've had 3 days of really busy work, okay? So this is part one of the kitchen. So we've got, this is part of the kitchen, my desk, the TV, the sofa situation, Fred's desk, the windowsill needs cleaning, we've got washing. We have washing absolutely everywhere. The kitchen just gets worse and worse. The kitchen is like the worst part, like, that is not great. And then we've got rubbish down here, all my stuff. Washing's been drying. The bathroom is just a mess. All of this, I took my fake tan off. All of this needs organising. I mean, what even is that? And then the bedroom, it's just a mess. It is freaking horrific. To motivate me to actually clean, what's gonna help? And doing it with you is the only way I'm actually gonna do this. So, we will open the curtains. I have therapy at 10, so I want to get the lounge / kitchen looking slightly smart as I will be sat there for therapy. It's gonna be cute. Let's do this. Where to even begin? This is my favourite in the world. The Flash Sparkling Home Spray Wipe Done Apple Blossom. We've used this literally since the day we moved in and I just keep on repurchasing. It is just so gorgeous. I don't know what to do with the top of our freezer because it's like a cute little space to have decorations, but we end up just throwing like whatever on there. So that can go there. You can also go up there. I had therapy, I just love therapy. So our washing machine is in here. I'm gonna do a little smalls wash. We've got 2 washing baskets. This is how advanced Fred and I are. We've got 2 washing baskets, one for big things, one for small things. I'm gonna do a small things wash, then I can just put that on the drying rack and that can stay in the bedroom while Chloe and Liam are here. Let me grab all the clothes because there's clothes everywhere. We use the small laundry. You can get it as like a subscription. It's like £5 every 3 weeks for us because we do like 1 to 2 washes a day, to be honest. Did I just turn it on? Non-biological laundry capsules. They're cruelty-free, dermatologically tested, whatever FSC means, and plastic-free. They're just good for the planet. They don't smell of anything bad, like they're not super fragranced. I have really sensitive skin. I would really recommend Small. It's on a subscription, easy, goes to your letterbox, like you can just, this just gets posted through and then it's there, like great. And because obviously we live in a flat, that's what we need. If I have some sort of code or anything I can offer to get like discount for you, I will leave it down below. I'm gonna clean this next. I've done 1 round of washing up, gonna let it dry, gonna let some hot water brew, and then I'll go for round 2. I've left the 3 last bits to do and it's the worst stuff. It's like all the pots and pans from dinner last night. Ugh, I hate it. I wipe everything down. It looks bad, you know, guys. It really does. It's not great. I'm slightly embarrassed, but like, I'm hoping no one will judge. Right, let's do this thing. Wiped everything down. Are you joking now this other battery's gonna die? Bear with. Right, there we go. Now, what I do want to sort out though, everything gets so dirty so quickly. That is something I didn't realise when moving out. Like, you're just constantly cleaning. A little entryway thingamajig. I'm thinking this and this. I think that's cuter. I'm trying to think of how it can be a bit just cuter in the flat without it looking like childish, I guess. There are just crumbs everywhere. Honestly, I kind of regret cleaning the toaster because now they're just crumbs everywhere. Anyway, I think I'm now going to do the rest of the washing up. So put all of this away and wash up the last few bits. And then I need to tackle all of that.
A few moments later.
My camera break. So it's now back. Freaking out. Literally the last 2 hours. I think I have just been waiting for my camera. I charged all my batteries. I don't even know what happened. Either way, I've made the bed. I kind of need to make the bed prettier though. I've cleaned up here. I don't even know if you saw how bad that was. Probably best you didn't, to be honest. Honestly, this was how bored I was. This has all been organised. I have to do that like every few weeks. Honestly, it's awful. I'm gonna organise this next, just because it's giving, ugh. Let me show you an update on the kitchen. I also really need to clean the bathroom, but I'm just like really putting that one off. She's clean. She is really, really clean. I need to hoover. That's like the biggest thing I need to do. I need to hoover. I also clean the mirror. Like I said, I've waited 2 hours for you, basically. But let me organise in here. There's a bunch of construction at the moment, so I can't really talk to you because literally just everywhere is a freaking building site. Today, I'm gonna put it in categories as well. I'm gonna take everything off and then put everything back on. I need to make some lunch. I'm absolutely starving. I just don't know what to have. This is my issue. I really want tuna mayo and sweet corn, but we don't have any. I don't think we have any tuna or any sweet corn. So like, need to kind of sort that one out. This is gonna go in storage. This can go in my drawer. This can be skirts. Can anyone actually tell me if you feel like commenting, please comment. What is your favourite place to clean in your house or your bedroom? Like, what's your first thing you clean? Because I always love cleaning the kitchen. That's my first thing. And frankly, I'm kind of annoyed I started off with the kitchen today because now I'm like, ugh, I don't want to do anything else. Oh, I've been looking for this. Organised enough. I got M&S superseded bread because it's a small loaf and I like the small loaves. Lemonade. They don't do Ribena or M&S, so I got apple and blackcurrant squash, orange and pineapple squash, and then lastly, tuna steak in spring water. I'm now gonna make some lunch. I'm gonna relight my candle, make some lunch and sit on my laptop, my MacBook for a bit because I need to do my work for my other job. Haven't even started it this week, so I'll be doing that. Then I'll freaking tackle the bathroom and the hoovering. Wish me luck.
A few inches later.
I've put it off for long enough. I'm gonna freaking hoover and then do the freaking bathroom. I had lunch, it was gorgeous. Now it's time to hoover. And I need to hang the washing up, but first, hoover. Say what you wanna say. I need to put headphones on. I need to shake my booty for this one. thought I'd show you the afters. I've just gone and got my toes done as a reward in the background. Here is the after, I guess. Kitchen is clean. Desk is clean. Did you see I organised the TV unit? It was clean, but not anymore. Clean. No bin. Oh, clean. That was new. Bathroom. Clean. Clean, clean, clean. Bedroom. Clean. Apart from my filming equipment and the washing hang up and all the other washing hang up. But it's clean. Frankly, quite a good way to spend my day off. I'm really happy. Fred's just made me a knockoff Ribena and lemonade concoction. I went and got my toes did. It was painful. Sometimes pedicures just hurt, but I got a French tip. I'd show you, but I don't want the feet fetish people watching my videos. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this motivated you to clean your flat or your room or your house. Really appreciate it. Love you so much. See you soon. Kisses and hugs. Bye.